Don't mix Adblue and diesel. Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a common mistake that can cause serious damage to your diesel vehicle: accidentally mixing Adblue and diesel fuel. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, Adblue and diesel fuel are two completely different substances. Adblue is a urea-based solution used in selective catalytic reduction (SCR) systems to reduce harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. Diesel fuel, on the other hand, is a hydrocarbon fuel that powers your engine. If you accidentally put Adblue in your diesel tank, do not start your engine. This could lead to severe damage to your fuel system and engine. Here's why: clogged fuel injectors. Adblue can crystallize and clog your fuel injectors, preventing fuel from reaching the engine. Damaged fuel pump. The fuel pump isn't designed to handle Adblue and can be damaged by the corrosive fluid and all of the fuel system, because the Adblue turns to crystals and blocks everything in the fuel system. Corroded engine components. Adblue can corrode metal components in your engine, leading to costly repairs. If you've made this mistake, don't turn the engine on, or if you have, the best course of action is to turn off the ignition immediately. Call a professional mechanic or roadside assistance. They'll be able to safely drain the tank and flush the fuel system. Remember, prevention is key. Always double-check the labels on fuel containers before refueling. If you have any doubts, consult your vehicle's owner's manual or seek advice from a qualified mechanic. By following these simple steps, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your diesel vehicle running smoothly. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have ever done this, let us know in the comments below.